Vikas, the markets are falling lately. Should I stop my investments?
That's a common thought, Sapna. But actually, market dips aren't always a bad thing, especially if you're investing for the long term.
Really? I thought it's safer to wait until things settle down.
I get that. Pausing during a market dip could mean missing potential opportunities that may arise during such phases. It's like getting more units for the same amount.
So you're saying downturns can be a more strategic time to invest?
Exactly. Think of it as a sale. If your goals are long-term, staying consistent through potential ups and downs may work better.
That does make sense. So I just need to stay focused on the bigger picture?
Spot on, Sapna. The market moves, but your goals stay the same. Keep investing wisely, and time may do the rest. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.